What's up, my name is TechNubber here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. So there's a new season of Apex Legends out and with it come a handful of new problems. In this video, I'll be going through a problem that I got the first time I launched it up after I simply updated it. So I'll go ahead and fire it up now to show you exactly what the issue is. If you get to the screen over here, you click to continue and for some reason it shows you no servers found and it simply loops forever and ever. Just hit the escape key on your keyboard and you'll get back to the screen here. In the very bottom, you'll see Tab, Data Center, followed by the data center you currently have selected. Click this or press the key next to it and select the next server down on the list as they're sorted by ping. You don't want too much ping, so of course pick the next one down or the next one up if available. So I'll change to say Singapore 1 instead of London. If I click to continue, even though I'm in South Africa, I'll be playing on a server that's slightly further away. I'll have slightly more ping, but at least it's more likely to work properly. As far as I've heard, this is caused by the huge influx of new players playing the game, especially in this new season. The servers could just be overloaded and not working properly. Simply changing between servers, you should eventually land up on the main menu and things will work properly. You'll be able to play the game as usual. Though for the most part, this is an issue with Apex Legends, and it is pretty widespread. You're probably not the only one having this issue. Make sure to let Apex know through Twitter or other means so that the devs are more aware that this is something that they need to fix. As such, I of course had to let it go for quite some time until it eventually loaded me into the game. So even if it says no servers found, do make sure to leave it for a minute or two before changing the server again. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been TechNubber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!